In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Doge future while examining Dogecoin cost estimate for 2023, and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Dogecoin. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Dogecoin value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Doge is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will Doge succeed or fall flat? Or for what reason will Dogecoin value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Doge and its to-date history. Dogecoin value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its record-breaking high, in the midst of more extensive market declines, brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so forth into the situation, the horizon is dim, and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees us some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill and unexpected crypto spike. Crypto Vault Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and essential evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-0701, 1.17% dollar, 0.0671, 2023-0702, 0.29% dollar, 0.0677, 2023-0703, plus 8.87% dollar, 0.0740, 2023-0704, plus 5.57% dollar, 0.0717, 2023-0705, plus 3.27% dollar, 0.0702, 2023-0706, plus 8.40% dollar, 0.0736, 2023-0707, plus 5.25% dollar, 0.0715, 2023-07 to 08, plus 7.53% dollar, 0.0730, 2023-07 to 09, plus 6.60% dollar, 0.0724, 2023-07 to 10, 0.21% dollar, 0.0678, Dogecoin value forecast, 2023-2023 July plus 2.25% dollar, 0.0695, 2023 August 5.21% dollar, 0.0644, 2023, September 1.93% dollar, 0.0666, 2023. October 0.98% dollar, 0.0673, 2023 November plus 5.73% dollar, 0.0718, 2023 December plus 7.29% dollar, 0.0729, 2024 Jan plus 6.57% dollar, 0.0724, 2024 February plus 9.06% dollar, 0.0741, 2024 Blemish plus 12.79% dollar, 0.0766, 2024 April plus 12.62% dollar, 0.0765, 2024 May plus 15.97% dollar, 0.0788, 2024 June plus 16.40% dollar, 0.0791. Doge value expectation 2025 Our expectation model sees Doge coming to $0.0968 in 2025. What will Doge be worth in 5 years? The cost of Doge in 5 years could lie around $0 as per Crypto Vault's expectation model. Dogecoin value forecast 2030-2040. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2030? Our gauging model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2030. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2040. Will Dogecoin surpass Bitcoin? No, Dogecoin won't supplant or surpass BTC. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. How high will Dogecoin go? Our gauging model sees Dogecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is Dogecoin worth purchasing? We don't see a brilliant future for Dogecoin. It merits purchasing just as a transient theory with a decent leave technique. Dogecoin is definitely not a decent long-haul hold. Is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Dogecoin is definitely not a wise interest as we would like to think. Why? Indeed, it faces a wild contest from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certified local area, not including examiners and publicity pursuing group, and the group behind the venture is problematic. Might Dogecoin at any point make you a mogul? No, Dogecoin might not cause you a tycoon as we at any point too don't see it doing a 10x cost increment anytime from here on out. What amount will Dogecoin be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0.0593. In the long haul 8 to 10 years, it will undoubtedly drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed and get more expensive? Dogecoin has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage. It brings no interesting offer. It has a powerless group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls Dogecoin to succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible. Dogecoin projections long haul most of tasks will fizzle. A few new companies are made just to assemble reserves and vanish. Some wouldn't deal with the opposition. Yet most are simply thoughts that look great on paper, yet as a general rule, are pointless for the market. Subsequently, more than 95% of fruitful ICOs and digital currency undertakings will fizzle, and their financial backers will lose cash. The other 5% of activities will turn into the new Apple, Google, or Alibaba in the crypto industry. Will Doge be among those 5%? In the event that we tell the truth, there isn't a lot happening for Doge to the side of this inviting and passionate local area. It is outlandish to anticipate a drawn-out Dogecoin endurance, assuming that is the main pivot for the task.